Isis gave birth to Horus. I'm Egyptian. I carry this medicine. Um, to all the Egyptian people out there, carry on. To be Egyptian in these times is certainly not easy. For not many understand what that actually means to be Egyptian. A lot of times, people misuse this power, and which is why they never really have it. It doesn't unlock for them. But they might call you a whore, not realizing that you've been sexually abstinent and celibate for almost 13 years now, and you wouldn't have it any other way. And you might find yourself extra potent during these times with your energy, so much so that people become uncomfortable when you walk into the room. And you're encouraged right now to train yourself to be able to, like Neo in the Matrix, say no. Now, you're not being attacked head on, you're being projected at. Most likely, you're feeling it really heavy during these times. And I'm being encouraged to encourage you to know that you have protection in realms that you are aware of, and just to fall back on that and trust during these times, because it is very real, and it is there watching over you right now, guiding you, in fact, because that's how you get your heading. It's really not your path at all. You're walking a path of service. And while your presence might irritate those around you, it's only because you're such a glaring reminder of what they haven't been doing for themselves. And you're actually quite necessary during these times. Kind of like a gentle reminder, just walking through, just passing through. So hold your head high. Don't be ashamed with what they project at you. You're just pulling up things from people that need to be stirred up so that they can have a look at it, so that they can be uncomfortable. You're not supposed to get uncomfortable because you have been doing all the things to maintain yourself and confirmation. You're supposed to be a beautiful creature like all the other beautiful creatures. So keep doing the things. Don't let the projections get to you. If you feel them heavy right now, it's because what you're doing is working for you really, really well. And it's causing a disruption to those who have been maybe not showing up for themselves the way their higher self knows that they should be showing up for themselves. And they're just sad deep down that they let themselves down. So remain calm. Think kindergarten fantasy school teacher. I had the most wonderful kindergarten teacher. Her name was Miss Davis, and she was such a lady, and I just try to go back to that. Perhaps there's a lot of students that need help right now. So, remain in your grace, and we shall all fly.